over here, puppy. Stand over here.
Get back.
Over here so you can record it better. Right here.
Why are you pulling me?
I'm not pulling you.
Why didn't it blow its horn?
I don't know. That's a good question.
I'll make it.
Wasn't that cool? He blew it for you?
Yeah.
Now you turn the other way so you can see it leave.
I want to see the number. I won't get too close, I promise. Read it. 7017. It's 7017.
7017.
Oh, hold on to me. Will I get the X in the eyes?
Let's see what gets the X in the eye.
Look like this.
You're gonna end up like freaking dog.
I end up in dog food.